one row, multiply all the column. That's why row to column multiplication. Row to column multiplication. R1 multiply all the columns. R1 multiply all the columns. I will write R1 C1, R1 C2, R1 C3. First you write means we cannot commit the wrong. Okay, second row multiply all the column because of row to column multiplication. Row to columns multiplication. R3 multiply all the columns. R3 multiply all the columns. Right. Now, according this one, R1 C1 multiply R1 C1. 2 into 1, 3 into 0, 4 into 3. Write down now here anyway. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. That is the R1 C1. R1 C1. Everyone write down. First R1 C2. Same R1 multiply with C2. 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0. 4 into 0. Is it clear? Next, R1 C3. R1 C3. 2 into 5. 2 into 5. R1 C3. 2 into 5. Okay, now everyone see. R1 C3. I will write here is. I will write this side. Right. Everyone write down. R1 C3. R2 into 5. 2 into 5 plus 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 5 plus 4 into 5. Okay, na? 4 into 5. Clear, everyone? 4 into 5. Not appearing. Now it is clear, na? 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Okay, na? Right. R2 start. Everyone start with R2. R2E. So 3, 4, 5. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3. R2C1 completed. R3 into minus 3. 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 4 into 2. Plus 5 into 0. Plus 5 into 0. Right. 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Plus 4 into 4. Plus 5 into 5. Plus 5 into 5. Okay, now? Right. Next, R3. R3 multiply with C1. R3. 4 into 1. 4 into 1 plus 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3. R3C1 completed. R3C1 completed. Next, 4 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0. Next, 4 into 5. 4 into 5 plus 5 into 4 plus 5 into 4 plus 6 into 5 plus 6 into 5. One time check everyone. So is it clear now, everyone? Now write down the value. See, 2, 0, 12, 14. 2, 0, 12, 14. Minus 6 plus 6 cancel. Total value is 0. Next, 10, 20, 30, 42. 42. Next, 3, 15, 18. Next, minus 9, 8, minus 1, minus 1, 15, 25, 15, 25, 50, 20, 30, 40, 40, 56, 56, 4, 18, 22 minus 12 plus 10 minus 2. Next 20, 20, 40, 30, 70. All right, everyone see the answer is clear. Multiplication is clear. Everyone clear, everyone? Right, I go through the one time, I will check the answer. Multiplication 3.2 exercise, 3.2 exercise, third problem. Third problem, fourth bit is 14, 0, 42, 18, minus 1, 56, 22, minus 2, 70. Correct. Clear, sir. Okay. Right. Everyone. Fifth bit. Everyone write down the fifth bit is. First write down the fifth bit, everyone. Fifth bit is. First matrix is 2, 1. First row. 3, 2. Second row. Minus 1, 1. Third row. Next matrix is. Everyone observe. First row. Second row. Third row. Okay, na? Third row. Right. Second 1, 0, 1 and minus 1, 2, 1. First column C1, second column C2, second column C2, third column C3. Its order is 3 by 2, 3 rows, 2 columns. Its order is 2 rows, 3 columns. Inner values are equal. External values we get. Right out, everyone. R1 start R1 multiply with 3 columns. R1 multiply with 3 columns. Next, R multiply with 3 columns. R3 multiply with 3 columns. Write down direct. Everyone write down. Everyone write down first. First row. 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. R1 C1 is over. R1 C2. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. R1 C3. 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. 1 into 1. R1 C1. R1 C2, R1 C3 completed. R2 start. 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Next, 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. R1, R2 C1, R2 C2, R2 C3 completed. R2 with all columns completed. R3 minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 plus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Right, everyone write down the values. Right, everyone represent the values. 2 minus 1 is the 1. 0, 2. 2 plus 1 is the 3. 3 minus 2 is the 1. 0, 4. 3 plus 2 is the 5. Minus 1 is the minus 2. 2 minus 1 plus 1 is the 0. Right, check everyone. Fast, everyone check. Answer check, everyone. .2 exercise. Answer is check everyone. Problem number fifth. Problem number 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 5. Minus 2, 2, 0. Correct. Go through the sixth bit first. Go through the sixth bit. Write down the sixth bit is everyone. Sixth bit is 3 minus 1, 3 first row. Next, minus 1, 0 to second row. 2 rows only, first matrix rows. 2 rows, 3 columns. Second matrix sum. What is the second matrix here? 2, 1, 3, first column. Next, minus 3, 0, 1, second column. Right. Here is the 3 rows and 2 columns. Internal values are equal. External values is the result matrix. R1, C1, R1, C2. Right. R1, C1, R1, C2. R2, C1, R2, C2. Right. R2, C1, R2, C2. External values is the order. 2 by 2 is the order. Fast everyone, complete. Fast everyone. This must be completed means. Fast everyone. Fast. I will write here, everyone see. R1, C1, R1 multiplied 3 into 2. Next, minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3. Next one is 3 R1, C2, 3 into minus 3, minus 1 into 0, 3 into 1. Right, R1 is completed, R2, minus 1 into 2, 0 into 0 into G, minus 1 into 2, 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3 minus 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Now simplify, how we get the answer. 6 minus 1, 5, 9, 14. 6 minus 1, 5, 5 plus 9, 14. Minus 9 plus 3, minus 6, minus 2, 6, 4, 3 plus 2, 5. Right, everyone check the answer. Check the answer. 14 minus 6, 4, 5. 14 minus 6, 4, 5. Fast everyone, check answer. 3.2 exercise. Third, right, 14 minus 6, 4, 5 is the completed. Right. So first property, that is the completed as commutative law. So commutative law, generally AB is not equal to BA. We check in the first problem. So second property, associative law, we go through the associative law. So associative law problem is, so fourth problem, associative law, verify the associative law. So everyone, with addition, associative law is asking. So whatever it may be, right, fourth problem, enter into the fourth problem, everyone. Enter into the fourth problem. if capital A first row is 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1. Second matrix B is equal to 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5. Next 2 0 3 2 0 3. C matrix is 4 1 2 4 1 2 0 3 2 and 1 minus 2 3. Then compute A plus B is required. First everyone, first bit is A plus B is required, and B minus C is required, and B minus C is required. Also verify. What is the required is the verify. So A plus B minus C bracket. So A plus B minus C bracket associate in addition, and A plus B bracket minus C. Right, everyone see. So associate will be satisfied. Everyone check first. A plus B. I will write the solution is A plus B. The corresponding elements add up. So 1 plus 3, 2 minus 1, minus 3 plus 2, corresponding elements addition. Next 5 plus 4. Next 0 plus 2, 2 plus 5, corresponding element. 5 plus 4, 0 plus 2, 2 plus 5. Next corresponding 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1 plus 0, and 1 plus 3. Corresponding elements addition. Write down the answer is. So that is equal to 4, 1 minus 1, 9, 2, 7. So 3 minus 1, 4. Next B minus C. First everyone go through the B minus C. B minus C means B matrix addition with the minus C matrix. So minus C matrix multiply with all elements by minus. So B matrix C. What is the B matrix C? So 3 minus 1 2 and 4 2 5 and 2 0 3. Scalar multiplication of minus. Minus 1 is the scalar multiplication. Multiply all elements. So class C matrix multiply all elements with the minus 1. Minus 4, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, plus 2, minus 3. Now add. Now first add. Corresponding elements addition. First element, 3 minus 4. Second element, minus 1, minus 1. Third element, 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2. Okay, na? Fourth element, 4 plus 0. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. Sixth element, 5 minus 2. Seventh element, 2 minus 1. 0, 8th element, 0 plus 2, 0 plus 2. 3 for 9th element, 3 minus 3. Right on the answer is everyone first. Complete first. Use these A plus B, B minus C in that one. Okay, now? So I can't rub that one. Everyone see A plus B. Its value is B minus C value you are writing. What is the B minus C value is write down over. What is the B minus C value is? So minus 1, minus 2, 0, 4 minus 1 3 1 2 0. This is the B minus C matrix. Okay, now verify LHS. LHS second bit. LHS. What is the LHS? A matrix plus B minus C matrix. A matrix add with B minus C matrix. A matrix C. Now write down A matrix C. 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 and 1 minus 1 1. Add with B minus C matrix. B minus C matrix is minus 1 minus 2 0 4 minus 1 3 1 2 0. By addition, write down first. Everyone write down addition. What is the answer? Is write down first element. First element 1 minus 1 is 0. Second 2 minus 2 is 0. Minus 3 0 is the minus 3. Fourth element 5 plus 4 is 9. 0 minus 1 is the minus 1. 2 plus 3 is the 5. 1 plus 1 is the 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is the 1. 1 plus 0 is the 1. Right. First, everyone write down RHS. Write down everyone. Take RHS. That is the A plus B minus C. I will take RHS. Everyone see. Here I am writing. I am taking the RHS A plus B. I am taking the RHS. First, everyone see. RHS RHS A plus B minus C. Minus C, that is the A plus B plus minus of C. A plus B matrix, write down one. A plus B matrix is 4 1 minus 1 9 2 7 3 minus 1 4. Add with C matrix, multiply with the minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 and minus 2. Minus 2. Next 0 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 2 minus 3. Right, C matrix I will multiply with the minus. Now add, we get the same answer. LHS answer, different answer. Check. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 minus 2 is the minus 3. 0 0 minus 3, correct. 9 plus 0 is the 9. 2 minus 3 is the minus 1. 7 minus 2 is the 5. 9 minus 1 5, correct. 3 minus 1 is the 2. Minus 1 plus 2 is the 1. 4 minus 3 is the 1. So 2 1 1 is the correct. So LHS is equal to, write down RHS hence proved. LHS is equal to RHS hence proved. Hence proved. Right. Fifth problem. Everyone see the fifth problem first. Seven minutes is there. Fast everyone. Fifth problem. Fast everyone do the fifth problem. Right. See the fifth problem. Fifth problem is, if A is equal to A matrix. Everyone write down the fifth problem. Right. Write down the fifth problem is, if A matrix is, write down fifth problem. If A matrix is, what is the A matrix is? 2 by 3 1 5 by 3. First row 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. 7 by 3, 2 by 3. Right. B matrix is write down. What is the B matrix? Should be write down, everyone. B matrix write down. 2 by 3, 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Next one is 7 by 5, 6 by 5 and 2 by 5. This is the B matrix. Then compute 3A minus 5B. 3A minus 5B matrix. Then compute 3A minus 5B. First everyone work out, 3A minus 5B work out. 3 is a scalar multiplication property. Every element of A matrix multiply with scalar 3. K is the multiplication of the every element of the A matrix. Scalar multiplication. Now come to the solution of the problem. 3 into A minus 5B can be written as 3 into A plus minus 5 scalar multiply with B matrix, right? So scalar multiplication, 3 the multiplication of the every element of A matrix. Every element of A matrix multiply with 3. So 3 into 2 by 3, 3 cancel 2. 1 into 3 is the 3. 3 into 5 by 3 cancel 5. Next, 3 into 1 by 3 is the 1. 3 into 2 by 3 cancel 2. 4, 3 cancel 4. Next, 7. Next, 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2 by 3 cancel 2. Next, plus minus 5 multiply the every element of B matrix. Minus 5 into 2 by 5, that is a minus 2. Minus 5 into 3 by 5, 5 cancel, minus 3. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Next, minus 5 into 1 by 5 is minus 1. Minus 5 into 2 by 5 is minus 2. Minus 5 into 4 by 5 is minus 4. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 2. Right, now add. Now add first element, add with this first element, 2 with minus 2. 2 with minus 2, 3 with minus 3, 5 with minus 5. 1 with minus 1, 2 with minus 2, 4 with minus 4. 7 with minus 7, 6 with minus 6, and 2 with minus 2. We get the all elements are 0. What is the name of all elements are 0? What is the name of that matrix? Is null matrix or 0 matrix. So null matrix or 0 matrix, it is represented by 0 notation. Fifth problem is C, everyone. Right, null matrix, is it clear? Right. We have 2 minutes. First, we can do the sixth problem. First, everyone go through the sixth problem. Simplify. First, everyone go through the simplify. Cos theta is the scalar outside. Inside elements also cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. Right. Outside scalar is the sin theta. Matrix elements are sin theta minus cos theta. Next, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta, cos theta, sin theta. First, everyone do the first. Cos theta, sin theta. Everyone apply the scalar multiplication. So apply the scalar multiplication first. Scalar multiplication. Scalar is the multiplication of every element. So that is equal to cos theta multiply. So cos square theta into cos theta sin theta. Scalar multiplication minus cos theta sin theta minus cos square theta. Sorry, cos square theta. Cos theta is a scalar. Scalar is the multiplication of scalar property is. Scalar is the multiplication of every element. Sin theta is the scalar. Multiply the sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. So minus cos theta, sin theta. Next, sin theta, cos theta or cos theta, sin theta. Next, sin theta is a sin square theta. Now add among first element, add